Hi, I'm Susie Santos, and from SAMIC headquarters in Azkoitia, Spain, I will show you the range of SAMIC planetary mixers. SAMIC offers a complete range of planetary mixers with capacities of 5, 10, 20, 30, and 40 liters. The smallest model of 5 liters is available in 2 versions according to the motor and production capacity. There are also 2 versions available in the 10 to 40 liter models, one basic model and one model with an attachment drive for accessories. SAMIC planetary mixers are equipped with powerful 3-phase motors controlled by highly reliable electronic speed variator technology, which enables the mixers to be connected to a single-phase electrical main supply. Belt-driven technology makes maintenance very easy. All SAMIC planetary mixers are very silent in use. The electronic speed variator allows progressive acceleration and speed reduction, reducing flashes and making operation safe for the user. All models have user-friendly control panels, which include an on-off button, a button to control the time from 30 seconds to 30 minutes, and a device to control the speed from 1 being the slowest to 10 being the fastest. Each machine is equipped with a strong stainless steel bowl and 3 tools. A balloon whisk for liquids such as egg whites, heavy cream, and other sauces. A paddle for softer doughs, batters, and creams. A dough hook for heavy dough such as bread, pizza, and croissant dough. SAMIC offers 3 optional accessories for models equipped with an attachment drive: a meat mincer and a potato masher, a vegetable preparation attachment, There are optional accessories that allow to use 20 and 30 liter models with a 10 liter bowl and 40 liter models with a 20 liter bowl. The kits consist of a stainless steel bowl and 3 tools. SAMIC also offers accessories to make transport easy in 20, 30, and 40 liter models. To transport the heavy bowl filled with the product, there is a bowl transport trolley made of highly resistant stainless steel. For easy transportation of the machine, there is a base kit with wheels specially designed for users who frequently need to move the machine. It also allows to easily clean the surrounding area. All SAMIC planetary mixers are NSF certified.